Hi, in this video I'll take you through how to set up internal jobs in Xero Practice Manager. Now most of the jobs that you're going to have in Xero Practice Manager will be for your client work, but you're going to have two jobs that are for internal purposes. One is for administration and the other one is for leave. So let's jump in, we'll check it out together. Right, so you want to create two jobs, one for admin, which I've got here, and the other one, if I search up the top here, is for leave. Just like that. So, and ideally you want to be rolling this over every year. So each year you want to open it for a year, and after that year's finished, you create a new one for the next financial year and close the previous one out. The reason we do that is to avoid having too many timesheets sitting in one job, which can make the page load slow down, especially if you have a lot of team members. So let's go to the admin job first, and I'll show you what it looks like. So we click in here, and you can see that we've got our job set up. And then we have admin and then a label called internal meetings, admin and a label called accounting and finance and whatever it is. So you want to think about all the different administration activities you have in your practice and set these up as labels in here, and then all of your time goes here. Now what's really important for these, if we click into them, you'll notice that they have billable flagged as no. It's a non-billable task. So any time put to this task will be non-billable, means no work in progress is created. So time that is put here will reduce our productivity. Time put to clients will increase our productivity. So it's very, very important we have these jobs set up so we can track our productivity for our team members as well. Now let's just jump back and look at the leave job. So if we type leave, click into here. Now leave is very similar. So rather than admin, this time we'll have the word leave, and then we'll put the type of leave. So annual leave, public holidays, sick, parental or bereavement leave. So very similar, just add these, and these are all labels on here. As you'll see, the task here is called leave, and then the label is called annual leave. Simple as that. So the other thing I'll show you, or the last thing I'll show you, is how we actually set up this job number. So if I go edit job, you'll notice that that is not editable, but if I go to business and then down to settings, and then I'm going to go to practice settings, and then edit number sequences, I can check this box here, which is allocate job numbers manually. So check that and hit save. Now if I jump back into this job and hit refresh, you'll see this will be an editable field. So what I might want to do is go leave, and let's call this for financial year 22, and then hit save. And then I'll create a new job. And you always choose your client will be your accounting practice, and then we'd make it leave 23, and the name will be leave, just like that. And then we'll put the dates in, so we want to open it up for this financial year, so let's finish this on the 31st of December. Starts there, we'll allocate our entire team to it, and then hit save. Oh, sorry, we're going to select a category to be internal, and then our state to be internal, just like that, and then hit save. So now we've set up the new leave job. So then what we want to do is go through and add all of our tasks, which if we have a template set up, we can do it in here. So we can grab our leave template, but if we don't have one set up, we can just go through and go new task, and we'll call this one annual leave. We'll have the billable box unchecked. Don't worry about any estimated times, and then hit save. So we go add all of those tasks. And that's what we'll do every year, is we'd roll them over. So you'd have leave 23 and then admin 23, and next year we'd have leave 24 and admin 24. Once we have set them up, we want to go back in here, edit number sequences, uncheck that box, and then we're back onto the rolling over job numbers. And that way we're not going to affect our workflow by having to manually allocate job numbers for our client jobs. So that's how we set up internal jobs in Xero Practice Manager. So you want to have two internal jobs, one for leave and one for administration. It's a good idea to roll those over each year so we don't have too many timesheets sitting in that job after like 5 or 6 years. And you want to make sure you are using those labels to differentiate between the different types of leave and the different types of administration. So I hope that all makes sense, and I'll see you in the next video.